to ask why I'm upset?
If you want to say it, say it.
My friends say I'm not classy.
Okay.
Okay, do you think I'm a classless girl?
No idea.
You're very bad, Dr. PC. You're a psychologist, so help me.
The solution is very simple. You have to do 5 simple things.
Really? What should I do to be classy?
Go and buy a nice perfume for yourself today. You should always smell good and your smell will be different from others.
Perfume? Okay.
What would you say if someone gave you a gift?
I say I don't want it. I have it myself.
No, you just say, "Thank you. Your gift is very valuable to me."
How interesting.
If someone said to you, "I love you," you should say that "I love you too."
Maybe I don't like it.
All people need love and attention, but no more and no less.
This is how I make a lot of friends.
And you should learn to respect people's time. If you have something to do with someone, ask their permission first.
What if my work was obligatory?
If she doesn't have time for you, wait until she understands that you respect her so that she respects you. Help people, but don't expect gratitude from them. That way you will always be happy and have positive energy.
Okay, I'll go do these things. Bye-bye.
And of course, learn to thank someone who helps you. Wow, she didn't let me read my book.